Hi everyone, welcome back to the class. I hope you are all doing well today. In this session, we are going to explore some really cool features in Excel. And today, our spotlight is on cursors. Now, cursors might seem like a small thing, but trust me, understanding how they work can really boost how effectively you can use Excel. Think of them as little tools that help you interact better with your spreadsheet. There are three main cursors. Let's start with the three main ones. The first one would be selection cursor. When you select any cell, like I have selected the third one, and when you hover over the data 3 or the cell which contains the data 3, you will find this selection cursor, which is a white plus sign. Try this out. Hold on to any of the cells and Ctrl plus click any other cells that you would like to select. Like I am selecting all the data that are available here, I am Ctrl plus clicking on them. And you can see the white plus sign to be appearing on all of these data. See, these are the selected data, and that is why this cursor is called the selection cursor. It's a handy trick. Now next, the important cursor is the fill handle cursor. When you hover near the bottom of any selected cells, like let me select one of the cells and hover near the end, then we will find a black plus sign. This is called the fill handle cursor. Now let's do one thing and check what it does. I will be selecting several rows below the 1000 and release the cursor. Now see what happens. The cursor has auto incremented the next two rows, and the last two rows don't contain any value. Why this is so? Well, let me explain you this in very detail. What happened when I selected the first 1000 data? Below it, in the next two cells, there was some data available. So when it got incremented by 1500 and 500 separately because of the data that was present earlier. And in the next two rows, there was no data available. So those data got converted to 0. And again, how it works in case of text. So we will do it with the Charlie. You can see the data gets copied as it is, and it doesn't get auto incremented as it is a text. Now you might wonder how it works if we drag it row wise. So I am showing you the same. If we drag it row wise, it again gets auto incremented in case of integers or digits. In case of text, let's see how it works. So as you see, in case of text, it gets copied. And you might be curious about this small icon that is coming here. This small icon is called autofill options. If you click on it, you will find copy cells, fill formatting only, and fill without formatting. These are three options that we got. And let's see what are the autofill options in case of integers that are present. So here also you can see formatting, charts, totals, tables, spark lines, and so on. These are advanced features, and we will talk about this later on.